Forgiveness is an incredibly powerful action that can be taken by human beings. It doesn't change the past, but it does enlarge the future. By choosing to forgive, we free ourselves from the burden of resentment and regret. This choice doesn't condone what has been done to us or what we may have done to others, nor does it make things right. Instead, it allows us to shift the present and move forward, creating a new future that requires a commitment to being complete with the people involved. It's important to recognize that forgiveness is not really about the person who has done wrong. Rather, it's about the one who is forgiving. By finding the courage to step out of the way it should have been, we can complete a past hurt, resentment, anger, fear, or failure. To do this, we must be mindful of how we are holding on to what happened now in the present and recognize that over time, the event may have gained a certain mass and complexity in our minds. By acknowledging this, we are better able to address the context, hear others, and consider what comes next. Forgiveness puts the power back in our hands by creating a space in which a new future can be created. This capacity to reach out beyond ourselves points to our innate ability to generate positive change and transformation. For instance, if we are harboring a grudge, it's important to take responsibility for our own role in the situation and use generative language to say, "I'm giving up the grudge I've been holding for years." In doing so, we can release the negative energy that has been weighing us down and move forward with a sense of freedom and possibility.